Recipe sent me their new Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops, so let's try them out. I'm so excited about these. Okay, I don't know if that's too much. Why am I scared? Okay, let's rub them in. Ooh, they actually blend out more sheer than I was expecting, but they're giving me, oh my god, they smell so good. It smells like, have you tried the Dewdrops? Because it smells like that. These feel so nice. Niacinamide is so good for your skin. I think I used a little bit too much, so let's drag some of it down my neck. I was expecting this to be a lot darker than it is, and I'm glad that it's not. I'm glad that it blends out like more sheer, but it still gives like a nice glow and a little bit of color. Since I'm so fair, some like tinted glow drops can make me look almost dirty sometimes, or they just end up looking like a little bit too much. I really love this one. This is what it looks like on my skin. It gave me enough color without looking crazy orange and a nice healthy glow. I really love these. I'm gonna do my makeup on top of it.